going swapping on their Jews. Listen, never watch. Yo, what's good, y'all boys? Let's go, my G. What's up, bro? Yes, sir. What's up, Kevin? All right, I'm gonna look on Spy. What's up, Lynx? What's up, Mark? What's good, Isaiah? My boy Isaiah is always active, bro. I love it. All right, so as of now, Spy to the upside could look pretty good. It looks like the 4-hour broke structure. Yes, we are sweeping a high as of now. Now, we may want to come into this equilibrium. That's my only thing. So, yes, we are coming into a 4-hour bullish imbalance right now. As you guys can see, 4-hour bullish imbalance. We're coming into that right now. Giving a good rejection. We filled the whole entire imbalance, and we're making a good rejection. We did break structure to the downside, though. So, we did sweep out these highs, which are daily and 4-hour highs. And then we tanked, which we made a lower low. So, this is a swing low, the lowest low. Boom, broke below that. Broke below that support. Now, we are in a downtrend on the 1-hour. But the 4-hour is still in an uptrend. Why is this in an uptrend? Simply because we have a fair value gap. Guys, by the way, I just got all my stuff back from my Florida house. How does the mic sound? You guys could probably see over here. I got my mic back. Does the mic sound good? Chilling? Y'all disgust me when you with your wretched friend. Don't disgust me. Fire, does it sound better than the last one? I'm sure it sounds better, right? Clean? Bet. Sounds good, bet. Sounds good. So, as of now, Spy's scary. Like, you're looking at it right here. You're like, oh, shit. Oh, shit. Well, we just swept out daily highs. But, also, we just swept out 4-hour highs. But, we're coming down into this 4-hour fair value gap. Now, what you should look for right here is me personally, I'm going to wait for the 10 a.m. And I want to wait for, like, a 5-minute candle closure. So, it's either that, because we already took out these highs, and we made a decent move down. But now we're in this 4-hour fair value gap. So we just got to see how we react inside of here on this 1 hour. This is the 1-hour candle. We want to see how this reacts. We are taking lows out as of now, so this could definitely go higher. We're taking lows out on the 1 hour. 15-minute taking these yesterday's lows. It's not the lowest lows of the day, but these lows that printed yesterday, we're taking them out. 4-hour fair value gap. So, like, as of now, this looks bullish. I'm thinking until 9:30, we're going to make a move to the upside. And then we just got to see how we react up there. Because we broke structure on the 1 hour. We have this 4-hour imbalance, but we just swept these highs out. So what I want to see is I want to see bears I want to see this fair value gap potentially get tapped into, because this is the equilibrium of this move down. So if we take it to the high to the, yeah, high to the low, like actually let me delete everything. If we take it from this low right here all the way up to the high and then go over, bam, above this 50%, which is a premium, it's this fair value gap. So what I want to see is I want to see price push up into this fair value gap, or it could even push up to the order block. What is the order block? This green candle right here. We have this green candle. This is our order block. This is the recent up candle to this big downside move after we swept liquidity. What is that telling you? That's telling you after we swept out this high, we swept it out, remember, on the 4 hour. We swept this high out on the 4 hour, and then this up candle to the huge downside movement on the 1 hour and like the 15. So this accumulation to the up candle to the boom downside move is the order block. This area up here. Now why is that the order block? Why is this not the order block? Because this is the recent accumulation candle where all of them orders were filled and filling and filling and selling off and filling, and then boom. So up here is a lot of orders that are going to want to get filled again. So as soon as price maybe comes up into the equilibrium zone, maybe this fair value gap, maybe the order block, and then we could see a downside move. And why would I want to see a downside move? Because we're sweeping daily highs, 4-hour highs, and then we also want to come into equilibrium of this zone. Does that make sense? So then as soon as we tap equilibrium of this zone, then it's like, okay, maybe then we could see an upside move. But for now, the 4-hour and the daily are a much more higher power than just the 1 hour. So yes, I do see the 1 hour sweeping out this low, but I genuinely think that this 4 hour is going to come up and then want to come back down here, because this is the equilibrium zone. This is the 50%. Now, this is where the discount is, under the 50%. You can get your Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is the settings for it. It's literally just the 0, the 1, and the 5. You're just looking at the 0.5. News today? No news. Oh, I called this trade out yesterday. I'm him. I do think this looks good because we didn't take out either of these highs. We're sweeping these lows right here. Yeah, that could look good to the outside, or the upside. IWM taking out this high. We're going to see how this reacts. I do think we could see some downside on this. We do have some bullish imbalances on the 4 hour, so you want to be careful about that. We came into the equilibrium zone from this high to this low. Daily is sweeping out this high. Daily taking out this high, but the same thing. We are coming into a bullish imbalance right now, so we want to see how price reacts. We have a fair value gap right here. I'd like to take shorts off of this. That looks good. I'd like to take shorts off of that. We're taking out the high on the daily and on the 4 hour, as you can see. So we just want to be careful about this imbalance because we're bouncing off of this. So I'm sure we could easily go higher. But for us going higher, hopefully we bounce off of this, come up to here, and then we reject and go lower to the equilibrium zone. Because every move's usually going to want to go to equilibrium. Like if you go back here, from this high all the way to this low, never tapped equilibrium, never tapped it, never tapped it. Oh, comes into it, then goes higher. So hopefully today, maybe this wants to come down to equilibrium, which is the bottom, yeah, like the middle of that fair value. I think this fair value gap looks real good. This is the EQ. Equilibrium zone of this 1 hour time frame. This could look real good. I think we are coming up to a huge rejection area up here. Especially on the 4 hour. Like, see where this rejects. Or we go higher. We're going to see. We're going to see at 9:30. We're going to see how price is reacting. We got 15 minutes. Remember, I don't take trades at 9:30. I take trades more to like 9:45 to 10ish. So we might see and we might just wait to see how this first candle closes. If not, we'll analyze more within the next 20 minutes. It's 9:15, 20 minutes will be like 9:45, something like that. Taking out this low. Yeah, this could go higher. The only reason why I don't think we're going to go too higher is because we're taking out so many highs. Like all of these highs. And then I think that we're going to want to dump down here and then go. I think we're going to want to come down to this area and then continue to go up. To fill more orders at a cheaper price. I don't know if we're gonna want to continue up. Like if you look, every equilibrium zone gets hit. Like from this high to this low, never got hit, and never got hit. Comes up, equilibrium, goes down. Downside move. High to the low, gets hit, downside move. High to low, comes back, fills, dump. Comes back, fills, dump. And then it ends up obviously just going, but any of this, like look at this downside move. High, sweep, goes down. Oh, takes out lows, comes in the equilibrium, dump. What about this? Is this equilibrium? Nah. Because it would be from this high to this low. Did that ever get hit? Yup, look at that, bro. I didn't even peep that. That's insane. Comes down in equilibrium. Order block. Boom. Bro, this shit is like... Dog, this shit's too easy. Are you still doing the account challenge or are you dropping it because of Robinhood thing? So, I don't even know what I want to do because that shit actually pissed me off so much. I don't let things that I can't control get me mad, ever, really. Like, I'm not even really mad. It's $400. I could care less. I mean, like, it's a lot of money. I want that money, duh. Who wouldn't want $400? But it's to the point where it's like I can't control it. So, me sitting here and complaining, what is that going to do? Get my money back for me? So, personally, I don't know. I think I might just add 300 to the account and just run it up with you guys. Should I just do that? Should I just continue the challenge and add 300 and just start fresh, I guess? What is the Robinhood thing? Bro, my orders did not get filled. Orders did not get filled. And it fucking lost my whole entire account. Shit is retarded, bro. Like, come on. I was doing, like, even though I lost yesterday, which doesn't even matter, it's like, I was, like, just in my groove, you know what I mean? I love the account challenge. I don't even know if it was a glitch, bro. I don't know what it was. I pressed fill orders, and I put my phone down. I'm not an over trader, bro. I'm not like steadily like looking for new trades, so I don't go on the app. I go on the app at 4 to screenshot it, to post it to Twitter. I see my account's at $22. I'm like, hey? Down 499%. I'm like, what the farkin', bro? Like, come on, dude. That shit actually had me so tight. It's whatever, bro. It's like, I made 600. I made, what did I make? I put 300 of my own money in there. It's like, bro, I made that this week already from my real account. But it's like, I don't care. It's like, my trading money is my money. I earned that. You know what I mean? Nobody wants to lose that. Add 300 to your Weeble. So I actually just added my main account to my Weeble. Oh, where's my charger? I added my main account to my Weeble. Yo, guys, peep this light that I just got. This shit's fire. Can't even really see, but bro, my setup is so clean now. I'm about to be grinding the videos out. Might even shoot some porn over here. Shit's kind of fire. It's a good background. Is this a good angle right here? This is chilling, right? You guys can see. Bet. Johnny, what does equal highs mean? It means that two highs that are equal to each other. So, yo, does anyone know how to get the, I never used it before. I'm pretty sure it's like a line, or it's like a, you know how people draw it, but it's like the straight line instead of my fucking weird-ass drawings? Does that make sense or no? What is it, is it the arrow? Is it this? Or is it the path? Yeah, it's this. This is fire. How do I get this on my shit? Yo, why is it not going away? What the fuck? Yo! How do I get this out of here? Oh. Alright. Path, favorite, that shit. That shit's too tough. I fuck with this thing. So look, equal highs is when you print a high, come down, and you print literally an equal high. Why is there an arrow? Oh, there we go. Yeah! Fire. See how it's an equal high? These highs are equal to each other. Literally. Literally equal. Bam. So that means that this high never swept this high. So what could that mean? There's so much damn liquidity above both of these highs. So when price comes back up, bro, that's a lot of liquidity. Then it hits the us. That's what we look for. Equal highs just means that there's a lot of liquidity above it. So, yeah. Everyone, if you don't have post notifications on, you're not going to be a profitable trader. And, yeah, I'm out of here. I'm about to go live in the Discord. I'm about to go take a pee-pee. Little pissy. Little dookie. And I'm out of here. I'll be on the Discord in like 5 minutes, boys.